How to upload multiple picture in Instagram post. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Instagram application on your device. Click on the plus icon at the bottom. Then after, in the post section, you simply need to choose multiple picture or video which you want to upload. Tap and hold on one picture and then the select multiple option will be activated. Select the other picture which you want to upload as a post. Then click on next. As you can see, the 3 pictures has been selected. If you want to add another, click on plus and choose the picture. After that, go to next. Here is the final editing page you need to add details on before posting the picture. In audience, you can simply choose your followers or close friend option. Add a music to your post, tag people present in the picture by clicking on their face, and then after you are good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.